Hi, it's Dan from Bocain Designs. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a collaborator to your SiteGround account. And the reason you might want to add a collaborator to your SiteGround account is if you need to share access to your developer. Maybe they're launching a new website. Maybe it's someone you just hired to download your website and migrate it somewhere. Maybe they just need to get in there for something else. Whatever the case may be, adding them as a collaborator is the most secure way to give them access. Because when you're done with them, you can remove them as a collaborator. You haven't shared your login. They can't go in and change your password. They can't change the email associated with your account. They can't purchase products under your name. So always grant access this way if you have it as an option. Different web hosts might call it a delegate or a developer. SiteGround is calling it a collaborator. So when you excuse me, when you first log into SiteGround, go ahead and click on websites. And then find your website on the list and click Manage. So we're going to go ahead and click bocaindesigns.com, Manage. And then on this screen, you'll see a couple of just things they're trying to sell you, but what we're looking for is users. Go ahead and click on Users. And when you come to Users, you're going to see that there are no users on my account. But we can go ahead and add a user. And in this case, I'm adding a developer to my account. If I was adding a client, I'd click here and it's a different set of questions. But in this case, we're adding another developer who I'm hiring to help work on some projects. We're going to go ahead and click on Select. And then we're going to pick on New User. And we're going to put in their email and name here. So we're just going to use one of my extra Gmails. And we're going to call it Boomland. And click Add. And now they've been invited. And if I go to my other email, which I'm going to do not on the video, but I'm doing this in another browser tab, I've been given an invite. And when I click on this invite, this will change to activated. But that's how you add somebody. Once you've done that, they have access to just the website you've given them access to. They don't have access to everything here, just the one you went in and clicked manage on. So that is how you add a collaborator to your SiteGround account, and hopefully they don't change it soon.